Hey, pioneers and future pioneers. My name is Victoria Harris-Karnes. I am the coordinator of advising for our College of Nursing at TWU. I wanted to take some time today to talk with you about the nursing major and the nursing profession, and how you can be sure that is the right fit for you, how to go about exploring that profession and that major, and then determining what to do if maybe you decide it's not the right fit for you and what some other options might be. So some things to think about whenever you're first considering nursing as a major would be just some of the general things that you'll be required to do as a student, and then later in your clinical hours and as a professional nurse. So for example, as a student, you're going to be taking a lot of science courses and a lot of science related courses. So it is important that you are interested in science, that you enjoy science to some degree, and that you feel confident in your abilities in those areas. And then beyond that, whenever you are getting into your clinicals and the profession, you're going to be dealing with a lot of blood, bodily fluids, long hours, working with all different types of personalities, with patients and their families. So there are a lot of things to consider whenever you're thinking about the profession. So if those are things that you're interested in and that you're on board with all of those things, then I would keep moving forward. If you want to explore even further, there are some opportunities that you can utilize through some of the resources at TWU. First, you could consider doing an internship or job shadowing. And that would involve working with a professional nurse, and either if you're job shadowing, you would follow that person in their day-to-day job and observe what they do, the different types of situations that they deal with, and what their life looks like day to day in that work. For internships, you would actually be taking on a position in that area, and you would actually get some hands-on experience with what it looks like to work in a medical environment. So both of those things are ways that you can learn more about the profession and what you would actually be doing, and that could help give you a better idea about whether or not it's a good fit for you. You can also utilize our Career Connection Center to learn more about the career outlooks for nursing, all of the different opportunities that are available in the field of nursing that are available to you. So that's also a good resource you can utilize for deciding for absolute sure that nursing is the right thing. So let's say you go through all of those resources and do some exploration and decide that maybe nursing is not quite right. There are other things that you can do as well, plenty of options. So all of the skills and interests that you have that led you to be interested in nursing are valuable in many other areas, many other majors and careers. And I've listed a few here. So for example, some of those would be some sciences, so biochemistry, chemistry, and then some other more social science fields, so family sciences, social work, psychology, and then health-related fields, of course, so health studies, nutrition. So there are a lot of options that utilize different things that maybe you thought were going to be great about nursing. So helping people, taking care of people, being in a medical field, being involved in science or research. Those are all available in a lot of different areas that could be a great fit. So as I mentioned before, we have resources that are available on campus to help you identify the things that you're interested in and make sure that you are in a major and working toward a profession that is a great fit for you. So I mentioned we have internships and job shadowing. Mr. Juan Armijo is our internships coordinator extraordinaire. He's wonderful at working with students to get them in the right spot with internships and job shadowing. You can contact him there. Our Career Connection Center, as I mentioned earlier, they have career consultants that will work with you to determine your interests and what you might be interested in doing long-term in your professional career. They offer different assessments for career, personality, all of those types of things. And then our academic advising office is excellent at getting you with the correct advisor to talk about different degree plans, courses that are available, how you could combine maybe a major and a minor to fit all of your interests, and to help you work toward all of your goals. And our contact information is there as well. So if you have any questions, please reach out to any one of these areas to start working on some exploration. And we are always here to help. Welcome to TWU, and we hope to see you around campus soon.